Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Katie, and I'm really excited today to be sharing with you a new to me company that I have recently discovered. And I'm really excited about this because the company that I am working with in today's video is called GONA. And they are a high-end, like luxury jewelry store based out of Paris, which is really fun. That's a place on my bucket list. And their main products are bracelets with charms, which are so fun because it means that you can customize your bracelet and you can get all the little charms that you like, that match different maybe hobbies you have or things about you, which is really fun. I love when I find things that I can make like custom. It's just really fun. So that's their main product that they sell. But they do also have other things. They do have like some earrings and some necklaces and stuff like that. But they sent me some jewelry to show you guys today. So I'm really excited about this. First of all, let me just say, this is super cute packaging. I am a sucker for cute packaging. Like if I'm shopping in a store and I see something that has cute packaging next to something that has boring, plain packaging, I'm picking the cute one like 99% of the time because I don't know, I just love it. So I'm loving this like deep emerald green, and it's very simple but classy with like the gold logo there. I just think that's really cute. So that's just a little tidbit about me, is I'm a sucker for cute packaging. So let's check out what they sent me. I'm so excited about this. So every piece of jewelry that you purchase from GONA, they're gonna send you a really nice little polishing cloth, and it does come with all the instructions on the back for the best way to clean your jewelry. Because this is higher end, like really nice jewelry, you wanna take care of it. And so it does come with a really nice little cleansing cloth. So that is awesome. And now we're gonna look at what is inside the goodie bag. Okay, so there's two things in here, I think. Let's go for the first one and let me show you guys. It comes in this little velvet, like pocket style envelope. And this is so cute. So it has a snap to open, and let's see what is in here. Oh my goodness, these are so precious. So these are rose gold hoop earrings with like the studs on them. Let me get my camera to focus really good on this. So you have these beautiful little hoops. Here's like the size of it. They're small, so they're not like gonna overwhelm. Like I'm not the type that I could wear big, huge hoops. I'd be so afraid that, because I feel like I'm always like constantly messing with my hair. That's just, I don't know. That's just what I do. And I feel like I would snag my finger. Like that's, I don't know. That's like a fear of mine, that I would snag my finger in one of those hoops and like rip it out of your ear. Oh my goodness. So these are like the perfect size for me. I love the rose gold color. I just think that is so pretty. And it has these very delicate little studs. And these would be a really cute size for like young girls. I have a daughter, she's about to turn 9, and she just got her ears pierced last year for her birthday. And I actually feel like these would be perfect for her. So since her birthday is coming up, I might make these a part of her present. She has never worn hoops, but I feel like these are the perfect size for like a young lady. And so the way that they open is actually pretty neat. So this part opens up like this, and then when they shut, you'll hear that click, and that's how you know they're shut. So I actually like the fact that they don't have like the traditional back that an earring does. So that's the first thing I got, and I absolutely love those. Those are so precious. And now we're gonna open the next thing. I don't actually wear earrings myself. I used to. I do have my ears pierced, but it's literally been years since I have worn earrings, so I'm afraid to put those in my ear since it's been so long. I used to wear earrings all the time, and then I don't know if this is a thing or not, but when I got pregnant with my son, it was like the hormones in the pregnancy or something. Every time I would wear earrings, my ear would like get inflamed, and it like developed, I think, an allergy to, I don't know. I think it's more like the cheaper metals. Like these ones I'm sure wouldn't give me a problem, but I just stopped wearing earrings altogether because I was having so many issues. So that's why I didn't try those on. Okay, the next thing that we got comes in this really pretty little emerald box. And now this is going to be their signature charm bracelet. Now this also comes with its own little cloth, which is nice. So I have 2 of those now. And it comes in this little box, and I'm gonna show you guys the bracelet that I picked. And I picked out all of these charms, so they're all custom picked by me, which is so fun. So the bracelet itself has this really fun sparkly charm as like the clasp where it opens and closes. So that's kind of fun on its own. And then let me show you each thing that I got. So this one is really fun. This one that is like dark blue right here. So that one is my birthstone. Sapphire is dark blue. I was born in September, so that's my birthstone. And so I just thought that that was kind of fun. And this one is like 2, but they're connected. So I've never seen one like that before, but there's the sapphire for September. And then the next thing I got was another one that is also blue representing September, and it has a K on it for Katie. And then I got a matching one on the other side that is a L for, well, my last name is Loveday, but also my husband's name starts with a L. So it can be for my last name or for my husband's name. The next one I got is a charm that like dangles right here, and it's very hard to read, I know, but it has a little cross on it. And it actually has a Bible verse on it that says, with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26, which is one of my favorite Bible verses. So I picked that one to like represent my faith. And then I picked this floral one because my favorite color is pink, and I just thought that that was really pretty. And then I picked this one, and it's a heart that says family, because family is everything to me. So I liked that one. And then this one I thought was kind of cool. It represents like the family tree and the roots. And so I just thought that that was neat. And so I got that. And then this one, this one, I was like, what is it? It's a heart. It's a rose gold sparkly heart. I love sparkles. If y'all know me, you know that I love sparkles. And then this one is really cool. I think it opens, I got to figure out. Oh yeah. So this one is like a turquoise colored heart dangle, and then the heart opens. It's kind of hard. My nails, I need to go get them done because they're getting so long and like they're, you know, overgrown, and it makes it hard to do things like this. But anyways, it opens up inside, and there's a little, you can see it, there's a little heart that dangles in between. So those are all the charms that I picked, and so I just think that's so fun to customize it. Okay, and here's what it looks like on my wrist. I think it's so pretty. I love the ones that dangle. I just think it's so fun making customized jewelry like this. And I think the fit is really well. It's not too tight, but it's not too big, so it can move around a little bit. So I love this so much. Thank you so much, GONA. This would make really great gifts. I know Mother's Day, we've just passed that. But there's always birthdays, there's always anniversaries, there's always occasions where you need like a nice gift. And this would be so nice for a mom, a sister, a friend, a wife, if any guys out there are watching this. So if you are interested, I do have a 20% off coupon, which is really great. I love when I can find a good deal on things like this. So I'll have all that information listed below, along with a link to the website in my description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, what is your favorite piece of jewelry to wear in the comments. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.